Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Power Podcast. I'm Alex. Today, we will talk about feelings, one topic every day, to transform your English speaking skills. Today, we're diving deep into talking about feelings like a native speaker. I'm happy. Really? That's all you can say when your heart is exploding with joy. Think about this moment. You're having coffee with a friend who suddenly looks worried. They share something personal with you, but when they ask, "How do you feel about this?" your mind freezes. You know exactly what you want to say in your native language, but in English, you can only manage "it's good" or "I think okay." Here's another situation. You're feeling really excited about something amazing that happened to you. You want to share this joy with your English speaking friends, but you don't know how to express that bubbling happiness inside you. You end up just saying, "I'm happy," when you want to say so much more. This happens to English learners everywhere, every single day. The gap between what you feel and what you can express creates distance in your relationships. But today, we're closing that gap forever. This is going to be transformational. This day is about emotional connection. Talking about feelings isn't just vocabulary. It's about building real relationships. It's about being understood and understanding others at a deeper level. Today's complete lesson includes 60 essential phrases for every emotional situation, real life conversations about feelings. Your personal feelings challenge to practice today. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the confidence to express your emotions naturally and connect with people's hearts in English. Are you ready to never feel stuck when talking about feelings? Let's transform your emotional vocabulary right now. 60 golden sentences shadowing practice. 60 essential phrases sounds like a lot. Don't worry, just save this video and come back anytime. Use the chapters in the description to jump to any part you want to practice. Here are your 60 essential phrases for talking about feelings. I'll say each one 3 times. Normal speed first, then slow and clear, then normal speed again. And remember, don't just repeat these phrases. Shadow everything I say. Copy me completely. Every word, every pause, every emotion. Feel the rhythm. Train your mouth, your ears, and your brain all at once. Imagine you are me. You're not just learning English, you're becoming English. You're rewriting your brain to think, breathe, and speak like a native. This is your transformation moment. Don't waste it. Now you repeat after each one. Ready? Let's go. But wait, before we dive in, I want you to bookmark this exact moment. By the time we finish these 60 phrases, you'll speak about emotions like you've lived in an English-speaking country for years. Happy and positive feelings. These are perfect for good days and positive moments. I'm feeling great today. I'm so happy right now. I feel amazing. I'm in a good mood. I feel wonderful. I'm excited about this. I feel so lucky. This makes me happy. I'm feeling positive. I feel grateful. Sad and difficult feelings. Use these when life feels hard or challenging. I'm feeling sad today. I feel a bit down. I'm not feeling well. I feel disappointed. I'm feeling lonely. This makes me sad. I feel hurt. I'm having a bad day. I feel upset. I'm feeling blue. Excellent. Now, let's learn about worried and anxious feelings. Perfect for when you're feeling nervous or stressed. I'm feeling worried. I feel nervous. I'm feeling anxious. I feel stressed. I'm feeling scared. I feel uncertain. I'm feeling overwhelmed. This makes me nervous. I feel tense. I'm feeling uneasy. Great job! Next, let's talk about angry and frustrated feelings. Use these when you're feeling frustrated or angry. I'm feeling angry. I feel frustrated. I'm feeling annoyed. This makes me mad. I feel irritated. I'm feeling upset. I feel bothered. I'm not happy about this. Wonderful. Now, let's learn about tired and energy feelings. Great for describing your energy levels. I'm feeling tired. I feel exhausted. I'm feeling sleepy. I feel drained. I'm feeling energetic. I feel refreshed. I'm feeling lazy. I feel worn out. Amazing! Now, let's move on to asking about feelings. Natural ways to ask how someone feels. How are you feeling? What's wrong? Are you okay? How do you feel about this? What's the matter? Is everything all right? You seem upset. Are you feeling better? What's bothering you? How was your day? Responding to feelings. Perfect responses when someone shares their feelings. I understand how you feel. I'm sorry you feel that way. That sounds difficult. I'm here for you. Fantastic, you did it. You've mastered 60 essential phrases for talking about feelings. Now, let's use these phrases in real situations. We have 3 beautiful scenarios for you today. Pro tip: don't just listen. Live these conversations. Feel the emotions. Imagine you're really there. This is how your brain remembers naturally. Scenario 1. I have Mark joining us to help with our dialogue practice. Mark will be our conversation partner for the first scenario. Shadow along with us, speak both sides of the conversation out loud. Scenario 2 and 3. Here's where the magic happens. You'll be talking directly with me, your conversation partner and friend. When I pause, that's your cue to respond. Don't just listen. Live the conversation with me. Feel the emotions. Connect with the story and let your heart be in it. This is how you'll remember these patterns naturally and speak with confidence. Now, let's dive into these scenarios together and make them come alive. Scenario 1. Checking on a friend. Alex, you seem a bit quiet today. Are you okay? Actually, I'm feeling a bit down. I had a difficult day at work. I'm sorry to hear that. What happened? My boss wasn't happy with my presentation. I feel disappointed in myself. That sounds really hard. But you know what? You're usually great at presentations. Thank you for saying that. I'm feeling a bit better now. I'm here for you if you need to talk more. I appreciate that. You're such a good friend. How are you feeling now? Much better, thank you for listening. I'm glad you're feeling better. That's what friends are for. Perfect. See how we went from checking on feelings to offering support and connection. That's the power of feelings talk. It builds real relationships. Scenario 2. Sharing good news. In this scenario, you're my close friend who just received amazing news. You're bursting with excitement and can't wait to share it with me. Ready? Here we go. You look absolutely radiant today. Something amazing happened, didn't it? What's got you glowing? That's incredible. I can feel your excitement through the screen. Tell me, how are you feeling about this incredible news? I can literally see you beaming with happiness right now. Your energy is contagious. This is absolutely wonderful news. I'm getting goosebumps just listening to you. You know what? You absolutely deserve this happiness. How long have you been waiting for this moment? You know what makes me happiest? Seeing you so genuinely excited. Thank you for letting me share this beautiful moment with you. Excellent. Sharing positive feelings is just as important as supporting difficult ones. You're building those emotional connections beautifully. Scenario 3. Dealing with stress. Now, let's experience a very common situation, dealing with stress and overwhelm. In this scenario, you're my caring friend who wants to help me feel better. You'll listen to my problems and offer support. Show me you care and help me feel less stressed. Ready? Here we go. I'm feeling completely overwhelmed about my exam tomorrow. My mind is racing, and I can't seem to calm down. I feel so anxious that my hands are actually shaking. I've been studying for weeks, but I'm terrified I'll blank out and forget everything I learned. Your words mean so much to me right now. I'm feeling like the weight of the world is on my shoulders with this exam and everything else happening. You're absolutely right. I can feel my breathing slowing down already. Sometimes we just need someone to remind us to pause and breathe. I feel like a completely different person now. Thank you for being exactly what I needed, a caring friend who helped me find my calm again. Perfect. You've mastered feelings conversations in happy, sad, and stressful situations. Now, it's time for your personalized feelings challenge. But first, let me give you the Feelings Talk Confidence Formula. Step 1. Check in with yourself. How are you feeling right now? Happy, tired, excited, worried? Be honest with yourself. Step 2. Choose your words. Pick 3 phrases from today's lesson that describe how you feel. For example, I'm feeling good today. I feel grateful. I'm excited about this. Step 3. Practice out loud. Say your 3 phrases clearly. Feel the emotion as you speak. Step 4. Share with someone today. Use one phrase with a real person. It could be a friend, family member, colleague, or even someone you meet casually. Step 5. Ask someone else. Use one of our question phrases. How are you feeling? Or are you okay? Show genuine interest in their answer. Now, I want to hear from you. This is what makes our community so special. We are all human, and we all have feelings no matter where we are in the world. But here's the thing. Most people are afraid to share their real feelings. Not in our community. We're building something different here. Here's your mission, and I challenge you to be brave and authentic. In the comments below, please share your first name and where you're watching from. Let's see how global our feelings family really is. Be completely honest. How are you feeling right now as you watch this? Don't just say good. Dig deeper. Excited, nervous, hopeful, tired, but motivated. This isn't just homework. You're helping build a global community where people feel safe to express their authentic emotions in English. Think about it. When you share your feelings here, you're not just practicing English. You're helping someone in Brazil, India, or Germany feel less alone in their language learning journey. When you learn to talk about feelings in English, you're not just learning vocabulary, you're learning to connect with people's hearts. You know what? You've just unlocked the secret to meaningful relationships in English. But more than that, you've gained the confidence to be vulnerable and authentic, which is the foundation of every deep human connection. You now have the power to support others and build bridges between hearts, no matter what language they speak natively. Before you go, I need you to make me a promise. Promise me you'll be brave. Promise me you'll share your real feelings, not just the safe ones. The world needs your authentic voice. Your feelings matter. Your story matters. Your journey matters. And every comment you share helps someone else feel less alone in their English learning adventure. Keep speaking with confidence. Keep connecting with your heart. Keep being beautifully, authentically you. Until tomorrow, take care of yourself and remember your feelings are valid. Your voice matters, and your English is getting stronger every single day. Hi, everyone. Take care and see you tomorrow.